let us look into question number 9. Among the following, the pKb value is highest for. The four options given to us are methylamine, ethylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine. So now let us look into what is pKb. pKb is nothing but negative logarithm to base 10 of molar concentration of dissociation constant of a base, that is Kb. Kb means dissociation constant of a base. These values of pKb or Kb will help us to evaluate the strength of a base. And amines and ammonia are Lewis bases because the nitrogen atom will be having the ability to donate the lone pair of electrons. So now, if the pKb value for any amine is lesser, it will be stronger base. Lesser the pKb value, lesser the pKb value, stronger will be the base. Stronger will be the base. So this is an important point to register, children. Like how we measure acidity of carboxylic acid, likewise we measure the basicity of the amines. So now, if the pKb value is lower, then strength of the base will be more. It will be a stronger base. Now in the question asked is pKb value is highest. So it's vice versa. Higher the pKb value, weaker will be the base. So let us find out which is a weaker base here. So now given to us are methylamine, this is a primary amine. Ethylamine, this is also a primary amine. Dimethylamine, this is a secondary amine. Trimethylamine is a tertiary amine. Now let us try to write the structure of them. RNH2 is a primary amine. R is linked with nitrogen in two cases, and to the other side it is linked with hydrogen. How will be the structure of a tertiary amine? Nitrogen is linked with 3 R's. Only to differentiate between the R's, let me put a dash for the second R, 1 dash and 2 dash for the third R. So here is our primary amine, here is our secondary amine, here is our tertiary amine. Now all these R's, let us say they are all alkyl groups. All the R's that we have considered are R dash, R double dash. All of them that we have considered is an alkyl group, like methyl in these two cases, and in this case it is ethyl, and in this case again methyl. So therefore methyl group, let us say, which is present in large number now. In the examples consider. Methyl group is electron donating group. Methyl group is electron donating group. So now as it is on the nitrogen of the amines, it is having a lone pair of electron which it can donate, and then it can act as Lewis base. Now on the top of that, if electron donating methyl group is also linked to nitrogen, what will they be doing? They will also be donating the pair of electrons to nitrogen. Say for example methyl, the carbon atom will donate a lone pair of electron to nitrogen. So here also this is CH3, this is also CH3, because dimethylamine we are talking about. So both this methyl group is going to give electrons to the nitrogen, and all these three trimethylamine as the case given to us. All these three R's are, say, let us say it is CH3, and all of them will be donating the lone pair of electron to the nitrogen atom. As a result, what is that we are observing? Nitrogen atom of the amines is accumulating more electrons. It is having more electron density now. Therefore, its ability to donate will increase. As a result, its basic strength will definitely increase. So, as a result of that, in the three examples given to us, here we find presence of three methyl group. All the three methyl groups are donating. So, if you were to write the order now, what would be the order? Tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary for their basic nature. If you were to write it in the decreasing order. Is it true? Is it true it is following in the same way? No. For the reason that the nitrogen is having too many alkyl groups being crowded onto it for a tertiary amine. Dear students, please remind this, please remember and always be careful when you write the answers as far as the basicity with the tertiary amine is concerned. Remember this point. Due to presence of many alkyl groups, there will be a steric hindrance that is being caused. Too much of crowding is happening onto the surrounding of nitrogen. Therefore, they will be causing steric hindrance. As a result, the tertiaryamine's protonation ability decreases. So, once its ability to donate the electron decreases, naturally its basicity also decreases. So now what is the order of the basicity then? Secondary amines are greatly basic than primary amines, and primary amines are greatly basic than tertiary amines. Then tertiary amines will be greatly basic than ammonia. That will be the last in the order. So now who is having the top priority in the list among the three types of amines that we have considered? Primary, secondary, tertiary are the three types of amines that we have considered. Which is on the prioritized list? Which is having the greater basic strength? It is the secondary amines which will be having the greater basic strength than the primary amines. Then it is followed by tertiary amines. So therefore, be careful, dear students, when you write the answers. So ethylamine is also a primary amine. I written wrongly as secondary amine. So we have methylamine, primary amine, ethylamine, a primary amine. Well, write the structure. CH3, CH2, NH2 is the structure of ethylamine. So nitrogen is linked with one other carbon atom or with two other hydrogen directly. So therefore it is a primary amine, not a secondary amine. So which is the secondary amine that we are having here? Dimethylamine. So therefore this is the correct option. Answer of this question is option C. So therefore, among the following, the pKb value is highest, they have asked. I'm sorry, if the highest means it is for the tertiary amines, the answer would be this. If it is lowest, pKb value is lowest. That means if it is a stronger base, then the answer would be C for the question that's been asked. Sorry, I have understood the other way. So the question that's been asked, which is the highest? Option D. As you know, tertiary amines will be having least basicity. That means pKb value will be lesser, stronger will be the base. If pKb value is greater, weaker will be the base. Which will be the weakest base among the three types of amines? Secondary amines is greatly basic than primary amines, greatly basic than tertiary amines. So the correct option for this question would be trimethylamine, because the question is asked as highest pKb value. Had in the question they had asked you lowest pKb value, then definitely we should have taken as the secondary amines, because they are on the priority in the list between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Sorry about that, I understood this in a little while as the lowest, so therefore I earlier wrote it as C. Now it is not the lowest, it is the highest. So highest in the order will be tertiary amine, so the correct option will be answer option D, that is trimethylamine.